How's it going, guys? It's Mr. F. I will be doing the daily video for today, which is going to be the 12th or 13th, depending on what class period you have. So, first thing to remember is these are our distance learning schedules. Feel free to pause the video here and take a picture, write it down, or just know that you can always reference this in the video. Class updates. Make sure that we have turned in our Vocab PowerPoint, our westward expansion vocab words. If it isn't, get on that, write it up, and get it in as soon as possible, please, because we are already moving on to our Mexican-American War packet, which will be due Friday after we finish the last lesson part for it. So, for today, make sure that we're continuing to work on our Mexican-American War packet. We should be finished up or just about finishing up with our first Perspective 1 section annotations, because we will be moving on to the second part. Word of the day is window, so make sure when you're done watching this video, you go to the daily quiz and type in window, W-I-N-D-O-W. So for today, like I said, we are moving on to the second perspective for the assignment. Make sure to follow the instructions on the right side of the paper, and we are going to be annotating the second perspective. And I will give us a quick refresher on how to do that right now. So we're going to go to Perspective 2 right here inside Microsoft Word. And we are going to go to Draw up here in the top, and we are going to look while we read, and we are going to highlight things that were wrongdoings or negative things that the American government did. And we're just going to click on this highlighter right here, and whatever you want to highlight, you just highlight like that. And then we can go back to get rid of that. And then we need to underline things, reasons that the government wanted to expand. So why the American government wanted, the territories in California, Texas, and whatnot. We're going to underline whatever those reasons might be, just like that. And then we are going to circle, again with the pen tool, maybe some words we don't know, like that. And then whatever you do end up circling, we are going to annotate in the column, which you can go and do right here with Insert. You can then hit Comment, and it'll bring it up. So, with that being said, and then also too, if you guys see something that is very surprising or shocking or something you think is super important, also feel free, it says it on the paper, to do a little exclamation point. You can type that. You can also do it as a comment. You could also highlight as a different color, or you could write the exclamation point like it says right up here in the top. So that is going to be what we need to be doing for annotating. And other than that, that is all we're going to do. So if you guys need anything, feel free to reach out on Teams or email if you have questions, and make sure we're going to our daily meetings. All right, see you guys, and go Knights.